So now we're taking a look at the answer for 1.4, create a VPC that allocates 256 network addresses. So when you create a VPC, you must specify a CIDR range between /16 and /28, but notice the emphasis that CIDR notation tells you how many available host addresses are, but it's not really telling us network addresses. And the reason why is that unless you're a really large enterprise, you rarely need to plan for how many subnets. So rarely will you ever have to think about how many net IDs you're going to have. Now, if we look at classful networking, if we use Class A, Class B, Class C, you can see we have that math there that will tell us exactly how many networks we're able to support with this way of addressing, okay? But I just want to point out that even if, let's say we were able to figure out how many net IDs we would be able to calculate, so we know how many subnets we have, AWS has a service limit of 200 subnets per VPC. So even if you could allocate more network addresses, you generally cannot fully utilize the allocated network addresses anyway. So it doesn't really matter. But I just wanted to point that out so you're thinking about that. It's not something that's going to show up in the exam, but just helps you think about subnetting.